Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize who can see your home location on Facebook using a PC with the new update. This is a great way to protect your privacy and control who has access to your personal information. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your computer. Go to facebook.com and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, click on your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on your name to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the About section and click on it. This section contains all sorts of information about you, including your work, education, and places you've lived. Now scroll down to the Places Lived section. Here you'll find your home location. Next to your home location, you will see an audience icon. Click on the audience icon next to your home location. This will allow you to adjust who can see it. From the drop-down menu, select Custom. This option allows you to specify exactly who can and cannot see your home location. A dialog box will appear, giving you further customization options. In the custom settings, you can choose specific people to share your location with or, more importantly, exclude certain individuals. Use the fields provided to add names or lists of people. Once you've made your selections, click Save to apply the changes, and that's it. You've successfully customized who can see your home location on Facebook. This added layer of privacy ensures that only the people you want to see your location can do so. Remember, it's always a good idea to regularly review your privacy settings on Facebook and other social media platforms to ensure your personal information is protected. Customizing your privacy settings can help you protect your personal information from unwanted viewers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.